A tank has a sloping base with water depth of 0.4 meters and 0.6 meters at its ends. It has a base area of 0.08 meters squared. Given density to be 1000 kg per meter cube and gravity, which is G, to be 10 meters per second squared. 1. Calculate the average pressure on the base. 2. Find the total force on the base. Okay, let's solve it. We have our solution. So let's first try and draw the diagram for this question before we proceed. So this is the tank, and remember it is sloped. So this is it. There's the water in it. Okay. And because it is sloped, so this is the shortest height at the one side of it, which is 0.4 meters. 0.4 meters. And this height is 0.6 meters. So this is the tank. And the area, which is A, was given to be 0.08, so 0.08 meters squared. Density, which is rho, was given to be 1000 kilogram per meter cube. Okay. And gravity, which is G, is 10 meters per second squared. Okay. So we have to calculate the average pressure. Before we can calculate the average pressure, we first need to calculate the average depth, which is H. So average depth will be will be 0.4 plus 0.6 all divided by 2. So you add the two depth and divide it by 2. So by using our calculator, 0.4 plus 0.6 divided by 2, which will give us, which will be equal to 0.5 meters. So this is the average depth. So let's proceed. Now we can now calculate for the average pressure, and we know pressure to be density times gravity times height. The height is the depth, the h. So therefore the average pressure, let's make it P average, is equal to, we have the density to be 1000 times the gravity to be 10 times the average depth, that's 0.5. So average pressure will be equal to, by using calculator, 1000 times 10 times 0.5, which will give us 5000 Pascal. Okay, let's move on to question 2. Question 2 says we should calculate for the total force on the base. So total force on the base, we have pressure to be, pressure which is P, to be force over area. So therefore, by making the force, which is F, to be the subject. F will be equal to pressure times area. So total force on the base will be equal to the pressure, which is 5,000 times the area of the tank, which is 0.08. So therefore, by using the calculator, 5,000 times 0.08 will give us 400. So it will be 400 Newton. So therefore, the total force on the base will be 100 Newton. Thank you very much. Please like, share, leave a comment, and once again, follow and subscribe for more. Bye bye.